Looked like somebody already tried pretty good here to break in.
Yeah, they did.
Why don't you just break all the glass out and get through it where it's already broken? Yeah. We're in Loosedale, Mississippi. We bought this property off market for about $80,000. We don't have a key with us, so we're gonna find out how we get in. We'll walk you through why we bought it, what the appeal is. We're in the middle of kind of nowhere, but it is a little bit of a community right here. We're gonna flip it. Looks like we need to put some sort of a driveway in here. It's a nice brick house though. It's been abandoned for some time. So now we're just kind of gonna see what the exterior looks like. Also figure out how the hell to get in. Elaine, you've been with us through a lot of properties. We sell every type of area. Are you always surprised kind of what we can get for a property in this type of area?
Yep. Values are always fairly strong.
All right, Brian, did you find a way in?
Yeah, somebody busted this window already for you.
Oh, great, cool. Looks like somebody cut the lawn though. Brian went to prison for breaking and entering some years ago, so it's a skill set that's helped him pretty well. Would they use this hammer to break it?
Looks like it.
Well, why don't you break it more?
I can't even feel the lock to get this thing to go up. There is no lock.
Looks like somebody tried to pry it up and couldn't get it up either on that left bottom.
Looked like somebody already tried pretty good here to break in.
Yeah, they did.
Why don't you just break all the glass out and get through it where it's already broken? Yeah.
Hey, this one's open, guys.
Oh, it's easier.
I guess we're just gonna have to rip this thing through, huh? Yeah, actually, it's almost. If you get that, hey, Brian, you might wanna. Never mind.
Woo! So your first time breaking into houses, huh, Elaine?
That's right.
Do we keep the fan or do we use this fan?
I like that fan.
HVAC unit.
Does that look new? Like the
It's
outside?
not, no, it's not new.
So they replaced the condenser. This is the original.
Was that the yeah, she's gonna put some mattresses in front of that one? We should put something in front of it, right?
I'm gonna try and reuse these floors. I mean,
No.
terrible shape.
This is what, a shared bathroom? So this can stay, this can stay. That can be painted,
Yeah, this thing's in good shape.
put some knobs on it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got doors, all the doors can stay.
Doors were in pretty good shape. There was one of them that had a hole in it, but these are easy.
So the way we're looking at this is a true cosmetic fixer. Would you keep the floors, Elaine?
Probably not, because they're
Yeah.
all kind of looking a little bit.
Yeah.
They're curling up on the edges.
So, and this is why we do not put these types of floors in our rental properties. Need a new ceiling fan?
It's all there. Just needs bulbs.
Okay, so maybe not a new ceiling fan here.
I mean, it's up to you.
I mean, I'm happy to go as dirt cheap as possible, but stuff like that.
Yeah, just change out your fans.
Yeah.
I would put new fans in all the rooms. I mean, you got to put some kind of
Yeah.
Some
I'm
kind of
with-
jewelry in
I'm
here.
with you on that.
I figured keep the kitchen cabinets and new countertops over, paint it white.
100%.
these are in good shape.
Yeah, these are great cabinets.
Yeah.
This is always a nice one.
Yeah, finding out what's inside there that.
Yeah, you do never want to open these.
Boof.
Did it hit you?
No. Did it hit you?
Woo, it's coming. Question is, we're gonna probably have to put new appliances in here.
Well, you don't put appliances in flips.
Can you save those appliances for rentals, Elaine?
Yeah, I mean, this thing is.
Is that something that you would
Oh,
say?
God, that was foul.
I said never open up a refrigerator, and you know why.
This stove's not worth anything.
Fridge ain't worth nothing. Fridge ain't worth nothing.
There's no dish machine in this place either. There's no room for one.
Well, if you put your fridge over there,
You could put one in if you wanted.
is that gonna make a difference in a place like this?
I mean, it's kind of a thing that people look for. If I'm buying a house that doesn't have a dish machine in it, it's kind of odd.
If we're taking the tops off, we can disconnect this. There's a dead spot right there.
So you talk about bringing that out.
Yeah, get rid of this, open this kitchen on up, pull that cabinet over there, and now you got a dishwasher hole here, pull your water line over, and you got a power outlet right there, drop down to your dishwasher.
All right, so I like that idea. So
Where's your dining room going?
Well, this is going away, so now you've got, this is out of the way here.
Unless you don't, I mean, if you put a dish machine in here, just don't bring this return back.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah,
Push that
okay.
over there.
So then you got this whole area is open. Yeah,
This
you're
area.
gonna add another 24 inches in here, and so
Yeah, we'll
and
just-
it terminates here, but you get all this extra room.
Yeah, we'll just turn that cabinet there. You've got your 24 inches inside that space. for your
And then we got a
dishwasher.
dishwasher, and then we have an open area.
Yeah, this kitchen's too small for that
Yeah,
return.
it is small.
Yeah.
Just moving that's going to change it a lot.
All right, so we'll do that. All right, so the basic of basic rehabs on this one. And you're just saying to go heavy, hardcore on the details, right?
That's what I would do.
Right.
Finesse it.
So we're talking jewelry. Jewelry means
Right.
new handles on stuff where we can.
Right.
This is where we're gonna spend the money. I would say the fans, change them out. I would say the light fixtures, change them out. The floor, change that out. And everything else gets a good fresh coat of paint. And we are in and out of this thing. This is at most a 2-week job. We need to bounce the hell out of here. The longer we're in here, so that means like on Monday, you're calling to try to get glass bids.
Already texting.
Okay. Like today, good, yeah, so.
Brian, you guys think these doorknobs are like decent enough?
No, we gotta change up.
Yeah,
we gotta change it.
Okay.
That's gonna get us money.
If we're putting new hardware and lights, then let's make
Yeah.
everything.
Let's
match.
make these up.
You're
Let's,
gonna do black because these are like the same color.
yeah,
Yep.
so let's do black on everything. You'd probably keep this brick the same, wouldn't you, Elaine?
100%.
I like
yeah.
this brick the way it looks.
Yeah, it looks new.
This is the biggest problem with the house is the drainage because you've got a soup bowl.
Yeah, that's just all dirt that's sitting on top of that slab right there.
Yeah, all would have everything from that way, everything from that way rolls right to this house.
So how do we fix it so,
French drains is the only thing I could think of because we can't build up this to keep the water from rolling in here. So the only other way is to put something underground to catch it and push it out that way.
well, it's all falling down that way, so that side's good.
Yeah.
It's just coming down here a
If
little.
we put a French drain right here around the porch, right up to this, and then just cut one piece through the driveway, put our pipe underneath it, and then the water can just roll off on down that hill, and this shit won't happen.
You run a drain here, you run a drain here, and
Yeah.
you connect them together and it runs out through there.
Yep.
This is like the first way that we deal with this house. First thing we do, address the problem, because they're gonna be hauling mud through the house and everything everywhere, okay? So we'll deal with the exterior. Okay, so that's, roof is fine.
Roof's perfect.
You didn't ask him what this was right here?
A swimming pool.
Oh, he said it was a swimming pool? Elaine, what are your concerns on this property?
Well, you gotta have to do something with this pit.
Well, my thought is you got all this extra dirt on this hill right here, just shave it down a little bit.
When you have a limited budget on things, you gotta make at least 20, 30 grand on this deal to make it worth your while, right? It's supply and demand, price it low and sell it fast, right? What do you think, good deal? So Brian, what do you think we're gonna sell this thing for based on what we just talked about?
I still think 150.
You still think 150? What do you think? Did we overpay for this property? I don't think so. It's a good, cute house. Talk to you in the next one. We'll see you on the next house. Peace.